If you've ever had a project stall out because two boards just wouldn't talk to each other, this one's for you. I've spent the last few weeks digging through the wireless module rabbit hole, testing range, checking power draw, and honestly, burning a couple of hours on bad solder joints, and I've narrowed it down to 5 transceivers that actually deliver for IoT builds. Even better, I tracked down the best prices I could find on each one. Let's get into it. Starting off with the KCX Bluetooth 5.3 module, and this one's a bit of a different animal. Instead of raw data, it's built for audio, Stereo GFSK transmission with an antenna already attached, so you can drop it straight into a wireless speaker or earphone project without designing an RF front end yourself. Bluetooth 5.3 means better power efficiency and a more stable connection than the older 4.2 boards floating around. It's $33.99, you can grab one or two depending on what you're building, and with nearly 5,000 sold and a 4.8 rating, people clearly aren't sending these back. If you want audio going wireless with almost zero effort, this is the shortcut. Next up is the CC1101 433 MHz module with the SMA antenna. Now here's why sub-gigahertz matters. 433 MHz punches through walls, floors, and general building clutter way better than 2.4 gig ever will. If you're doing a sensor node in a basement, a garage door controller, or anything spread across a property, this is the frequency you want. It plays nicely with Arduino, there's tons of library support, and the SMA connector means you can swap in a bigger antenna later. $30.23, 4.8 stars, almost 4,900 sold. Solid, proven, and not fussy. Then we've got the NRF24L01 with the PA and LNA, and that combo is the whole point. The power amplifier boosts what's going out, the low noise amplifier cleans up what's coming in, and together they push this thing to a claimed 1,100 meters. Real world, in open air, I've seen people hit several hundred meters comfortably, which is wild for a module this cheap. It runs on 2.4 GHz with SPI, so it's dead simple to wire up, and it's got the highest rating on this list at 4.9 stars. At $33.73, if you need distance without stepping up to LoRa money, this is the one I'd reach for. Coming in at number 4, the TENSTAR 2-pack of CC1101 modules. And look, this is the practical pick, because a transceiver by itself doesn't do much. You need a pair to actually have a conversation. Getting two matched modules from the same batch means identical performance on both ends, which saves you a lot of head scratching when you're debugging. Same 433 MHz reliability, same SMA antennas, and it's $48.83 for the pair, cheaper than buying two separately. It's sitting at a 4.9 rating with almost 4,000 sold, so the quality control is clearly holding up. And rounding out the list, this NRF24L01+PA+LNA bundle that comes with the Breakout adapter. This is the detail a lot of people miss. The NRF24 is a 3.3 volt part, and if you feed it straight off your Arduino's 5 volt rail, you'll either get flaky behavior or fry it outright. This kit includes the regulator adapter board that handles that for you, plus the antenna. So you're getting the long-range performance and the power problem solved, and it's the cheapest thing on this list at $27.21. Honestly, for a first-time builder, this is the smartest entry point here. All 5 links are down in the description, and they're the best prices I could find, so go check them out before they move. If this helped you pick the right module, hit that like button and subscribe. I've got more build guides and component deep dives coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.